Hello, receiving students, receiving teachers, and ATs.
Hello, Miss Philip.
Thank you. You may be seated. Okay, before we go on to our next lesson, let's recap on what we learned in our previous lesson by doing an activity. What is 20% of 35 kina? You are to apply the fraction method to do or solve this problem. Quickly, you are given 1 minute because you are using only one method. As soon as you finish, you sit up straight. Okay, let's check our working out to that activity. Who would like to come up to the front and show your working out together with your answer to the receiving teacher? You can also select a student in your class to come up to the board and show their working out also. ATs, can we have a volunteer?
The question read, find the 20% of 35 kina. Alright, 20 over 100 times 35 over 1. I cross 0 and I cross this 0. So 2 times 35 is 70, 10 times 1 is 10. I cross this 0 and the other 0. So the answer is 7 kina.
Okay, put your hand up if you've got the same answer like what our friend had. Hands down, very good. Maybe some others have used different way of cancelling. Here, she has used a different way by just crossing out the zeros, cancelling out the zeros. And then she multiplied straight across 2 times 35 is 70. 10 times 1 is 10. So cancel out the 0 again. 1 into 7 goes 7. It has to be 7 first and then later the actual answer should be written later. First of all, you just do away with the units. Just do the normal multiplying in working out your answer, and then you write your answer with the unit that is asking you for or to write. We are only using one method, which is the fraction method for this exercise. Okay, on your desk, you have blank A3 paper. Our lesson for today is discount. In your groups, I would like you to brainstorm the word discount. Have a circle with the word discount in it and write some of the words that you think might mean discount. Quickly select somebody to write for your group, because after this you are going to present what you have written. You should be finished by now. Okay, I think most of the groups have finished writing the words that would define the word discount. I would like volunteers from the groups to come up the front and you present to the class what you have written on those papers. Okay, can we have Michelle's group to come up and present this?
Some of the words or the words we think that are linked to the word discount and that we've brainstormed are, as you can see above here, which are buying, money, percentage, reduce, cost, mark price, items, and selling. These are some of the words that we've brainstormed and out of the word discount.
Okay, very good, Michelle and Dinah, for your presentation. Thank you. Can we have another group? Okay, that group over there. Group 6.
Class, this is some of the words that we've brainstormed of the word discounts, and we've got priceless, markdown, offer, reduced amount, and selling. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Rose and Rexy. I understand most of the groups have the same words written on their posters or the chart also. Do we have the same words? Good. Now let's try to see if some of these words are in the definition of the word discount. Everyone read from the screen. A discount? Okay, we came across some of the words that were on the chart from the two groups that have presented. Continue. Do we understand this statement? Yes, good. Discount is usually expressed as a percentage of the original price or total. Discount having in mind, it's always expressed as percentage. Discounts are calculated as a certain percentage of the price marked or display on article. When we go into a shop, it happens when it comes to special season, you will see a lot of discounts in shops. Percentage of certain amount of money is being displayed for you and I to go and purchase things at the cheapest price or expensive price. Discount, is it cheap or expensive? Cheap. Okay, we have an insert video for us to see an example of how a discount looks like in a shopping center.
I think we've had quite enough of you quacking quick.
Learn the dance.
Students, the important thing is, in this video show, you will see how discount is used in real life situation.
Wesley?
Hello.
Hey,
Hello.
something on the TV
So name
Oh, but something wrong with this like TV Mikla look go name just go blackout.
Salome you say one bla problem ito ko sem brand bel bok lo game discount lol TV TV na ul kan something also game good bla discount also cut him down on price too. So suppose you know so name you can tintin logo low brand bel you can go.
So all can give discount law TV too.
All TV na all radio discount look ko sem 10% discount. Em good plan you yet you must go na you go look him all na. But you sabe how much discount or price all category na all betok sa lo you. Disla kain TV da soleb size blog ini. One kain ne osem mo salim lo brand bele also give good la discount. And problem itu kimi osem.
I think now that's all me bago lo Brian Bell na kisi one plat TV we stop lo discount price.
Blame it all on me. You did nothing wrong. I was running free, but it took so long. So long to recognize. Can't remember why. I couldn't say goodbye. Look at me, don't give up. What you see is what you want.
Got a grudge against me for nothing. Get that much direction, some reception. Set the source of where his phone to this test has an erection for me. And thinks I'll be his resurrection. And Robin's got a grudge against me for nothing. Get that much, you get it too. But I'm so
Okay, we have really watched a very nice picture showing two of our friends that went into a shop. Once they heard that there was a discount of a certain amount of money for certain things in a shop, they rushed for it. So when we hear that there is discount in shops, do we wait? We rush up because we will be paying less money to get those things. Okay, it's good that we watch those examples. Always go for things that are on discount so that you spend less, unless you have plenty money. Here I have the formulas to use. Maybe some of us don't really know how to work out what is 20% of 1,000 kina. What would be the actual amount of money that you are going to spend? We will go through the key step first. The first key step, S/price, meaning selling price is equal to mark price subtract or minus D stands for discount. That's the first key step that we are to take when we are working out discount. I repeat, selling price equals mark price subtract discount. The second one, discount is equals to X% of mark price. Discount is equal to X%. Discount is always given in percentage of mark price. That's the second key step that we have to take or follow. The third key step, discount percentage equals cash discount over mark price times 100%. That is when we want to calculate certain amount of money into a percentage. That is the formula to use. Those are the three key steps that people in shops use to work out the discount price of certain goods in the store. Here I have an example for us to do as a group together first. A retailer offered a sale discount of 15%. A retailer offered a sale discount of 15%. We are to find the cash discount allowed on a 1,300 motorbike. And with your friend, you work out what is 15% of that total amount of money given. We should be finished by now. Put your hand up if you're finished. 15% of 1,300 kina. Can we have a volunteer to come up the board and show your working out? Michael?
The motorbike cost 1,300. The discount only allows 15%. Every percentage is always over 100. So 15 over 100 times 1,300 over 1. So the selling price is 1,300 minus the amount of discount 195. So the total amount of the motorbike is 1,105 kina.
Okay, thank you, Michael. That's how Michael have understood the statement or what we have learned in our lesson. 15% of 1,300 kina. This is how you work out your answer. Okay, let's correct him here. He said 195 kina is the selling price. Oh, okay, he corrected himself. 195 kina is the discount. This is the same as 15%. If we are to work out the actual selling price now, we are to subtract the discount amount of money from the selling price. So 13,000 subtract 195 now to find the actual price now that they are selling the motorbike for. This time you have another one to work out the sale price of that bike. We'll do that together on the board. We have, what is the total? What is the total? 1,300. What was our discount price? 195. We can either lay it out this way or in columns so that your working out is easy. Quickly work out your answer. Okay, let's work out our answer together on the board. 0 take away 5? Cannot. What do? We borrow from where? 3. Make this 10. We borrow another one from 10. We make this 10. We are left with 9. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 9. Here we are left with how many? 2. 2 take away 1. 1 take away 0. And the selling price or new selling price for the motorbike now is, everyone from the board? 1,105 kina. Okay, put your hand up if you have come up with the same answer. Very good. Now you have an activity to do, either in your groups or with your friend. A pocket radio marked at 25 kina was sold at 20 or 20 kina. I repeat, a pocket radio marked at 25 kina was sold at 20 kina. Your question is, find the cash discount. Find the cash discount. What is the discount price? B, the percentage discount. Okay, let's go to the correction to these two exercise. A pocket radio marked at 25 kina was sold at 20 kina. First question, we are to find or work out the cash discount. What is the discount money? How much was it reduced by? Okay, my friend at the, in group 6, come up and show your working out clearly on the board. Quickly. Okay, let's listen to what our friend would say quickly.
Five times 100. I crossed out the zeros and
Okay, do you need any help from your friends to come and help you explain? Okay, can we have someone from the group to come and help him explain what he have written? Because you did work out the answer as a group, so he needs assistance.
First, we've got the mark price there, and you minus with the selling price. Minus with the selling price, you get 5. Okay, 5 over 25, you multiply by 100 over 1, because the percentage is always over 100. Then find the common factor, which is 25. 25 into 25 into 25 is 1. 25 into 100 is 4 times. So you multiply across 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. Get 20 over 1 is equals to 20. percent.
Okay, thank you, Rose and John, for your presentation on the board and your working out. We will do this together again so that you make your own correction. And they have already answered the two. Working out the cash discount. When we come across or you see the word cash, it talks about the money. Percentage is also worked out here. Percentage the discount amount over the total selling price times 100 over 1. Let's be reminded that lay your working out separately. Do not put them together like this because you might be confusing everyone in the classroom or the room. Okay, together we have 25 kina. That is the selling price. We have 20 as our mark price. 5 take away 0. 5. 2 take away 2. Okay, we have 5. And our final answer now would be 5 kina. That is for the first question that is asking you to work out the cash discount. They also went ahead working out the percentage. The percentage discount, 5 over 25 times 100 over 1. Be reminded, we have the equal sign in line with the fraction bar. They have cancelled down by 25. And their final answer is 20 over 1. So the answer to question number B is what? 1 into 20 goes 20. We are asked to find the percentage discount, which is 20%. Check to see that you have those two different answers in your books. Our summary for today's lesson. Everyone together again read what is on the screen loud and clear. Okay, we are going to die very soon. Read it out loud again, together. Discounts are calculated as a certain percentage of the price mark or displayed on the article. Very good. Number 2. What does D represent? Discount. So discount equals X% of mark price. The third one? Okay, always try to read together, not rushing. Our key phrase for today's lesson is together. In our next lesson, we will look at commission. At your own time, try to look up the meaning of the word commission. Thank you, 8Es, receiving students and teachers for your participation.